Hello everybody, it's me Sam here and Tom from WoopaGaming, and today I'm going to be showing you the wireless redstone plugin full bucket by Lix92 and Cannonball. So Dan, what does this plugin do?
Well, as the name suggests, this plugin allows you to use wireless redstone. So when you have like a lever and a piston over here, sometimes you'll connect it with like the redstone dust. But this plugin allows you to manipulate that redstone dust and use it wirelessly, which I think is awesome.
Yep.
So yeah, let's go and cover it now.
So let's just go over the basics to start off. We're just going to make a simple sort of system with a transmitter and receiver. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is have a transmitter. For this we'll need a sign, so if you'd like to spawn in some signs. And to do this you just simply place down the sign. It can be on a wall sign or it can be standing up, that doesn't really matter. And then we can, on the first line, we can type WRT for transmitter, and on the second line we can have a channel, so let's call this Woopa channel, just Woopa. Okay, so we created a new channel as well with the WRT. Okay, so now let's create just a lever system just so we can demonstrate this nicely. You had to move that really close to that one, didn't you?
Alright, I'll move it for you.
Right there, so that's the system. And then we're going to wait, while doing that, let's create another sign, and this would be the receiver. So on the first line we have WRR, and then the second line will be the channel, so Woopa again. And then we can have that, and let's have a redstone lamp. Okay, so now you can see what it will do. It will teleport, or not teleport, transmit the redstone signal from this
so cool.
to this. So when I hit the switch, you can see the sign turns into a
redstone torch,
and we'll change the toggle. So obviously you can't place a sign on things like glass or where the redstone torch can't be placed. So you will have to note that down when building your things. But the thing is, we can create another one, for instance here, another receiver. I did that wrong. And then we can have more coming off it, and then let's toggle the switch again. You can see now.
Oh yes, that's awesome. Is there a limit to how many you can have?
I don't think there is in the config. Maybe there is, but I don't think there isn't. Don't think there is. That makes no sense. But obviously you can create multiple transmitters as well, so let's create another one.
I'm going to try like a piston actually.
WRT, Woopa, and then we can toggle this one.
Oh yeah.
Or this one.
Awesome.
You can actually choose. And then obviously you might have to change things about on that. Okay, so that's the general idea of the plugin. Oh wow, we've got a little sticky piston. Not sticky.
No, that's
not a piston. To destroy it is quite simple. We just destroy the sign and whatnot. It will transmit it now. So now these won't work because there's no sign there, and obviously the receivers don't work. So now we've just removed all the transmitters and receivers. So Dan, would you like to go over all of the commands for the plugin?
Yes, I'll start now. So you can manually add like a transmitter by typing /rw transmitter and then the channel name, so if we just put Woopa, and it will spawn a sign where it's standing. So if I just remove these, there we go.
Yep. And
you can type rw receiver to do the opposite and create a receiver. So let's create one called Woopa. Actually I should probably stand over here.
Yeah, I was just going to say that. Might create a little infinite loop.
Type receiver in again. There we go. So there's our receiver for Woopa. As you can see, it says transmitter and receiver instead of the RWT, etc. But it still functions the same.
Yeah.
Then we can type /rw info and then the channel name, so let's just type Woopa. It currently gives us the information of the channel we're looking at, so status of Woopa. It's activated, it isn't, it's not locked. This channel contains one receiver, one transmitter and 0 screens, and you can see the owners, and it's currently just X-torrent at the moment. So I suppose that's useful if you have multiple transmitters and receivers, and you'll know how many there are. Right, so the next command is /rw list and the page number. This will just show all of the list of the wireless channels. So if we do that, list and then page 1, it says page 1 and 1 Wooper, and it's currently inactive. So if we flip that on again, it will show it as active, which is awesome. Right, so you can do /rw lock to lock the receivers. They won't be locked into a channel. We can do this by /rw lock Wooper. We've already got it at the moment, so we'll unlock it. So there you go, the channel is now unlocked, and we can just flick it on. Right, so there are a series of admin commands, the first of which can be rw admin, the channel name, so Wooper, add owner, and then the person you'll add, so I'd Samkyo. You can also do rw admin, channel name, remove owner, then player name, so I can remove Samkyo. You can perform a backup, which is rw admin backup. This backs up the database, so I presume this have to be connected to some sort of database. Am I right, Sam?
It does that all by default.
Does it?
So
Oh, okay, awesome.
yeah.
And then you can do rw admin wipe data, which deletes the entire database, means practically all the channels. So yeah, 2 more commands. We can do rw remove and then the channel names. If we remove Wooper, so this channel is removed, you can see the signs are gone. And then you can do rw help and then the page number. So if we do 2, it brings up page 212 of command help.
Yeah, the WR remove is very helpful because obviously if you have a very large channel network, then it might be very tedious to delete all of them manually. So you can just use that to delete them.
Indeed.
I'm just going to go over the last bit. It's just the fact that there's 3 different types of signs. We've already seen 2 of them, the transmitter and receiver. There's actually a 3rd one as well. I'm just going to use the command to create this, so WRS and then the channel name. So actually we'll have to create a channel to do this. So let's just do this now. So WRT Wooper, and there's our channel. So if we create another sign, WRS, and then the channel name on the 2nd line, this will be a screen. So the screen basically shows the status of a channel. So if none of the transmitters are powered, it will show that the channel is inactive, or if one of them or several of them are powered, it will show as active. So if we power this,
There you go, it's
moment,
inactive.
It's inactive. If I toggled it on, it will show it active. So rather than having you could have potentially a light switch and stuff, but it doesn't give out redstone.
Fair enough. So it's just a screen, I see.
Yeah, so it just tells you. So you can have that on the wall, for instance.
Yeah.
To make sure it's on.
That's pretty cool, actually.
And just to create that with the command, do WRS and then the channel name, and that'll just make it where you're standing. So there you go, inactive, active. It's quite cool because it has the colours there as well. So.
Yeah. Yeah, the colours make it, I think. Right, so anything else we need to add? I think we've covered most of it now.
I think so. I think that's all of it. Anything else?
No, that's it. So yes, thank you guys for watching.
So,
and yeah, we'll see.
To me, Samkyo, and time WoopaGaming.
See you later, guys. A bit more functionality to pistons, involving chests, as the name suggests, and some other features which are really handy. So we're here at the first stage of our testing, which is called chest access. And what this will basically allow us to do is use the pistons to push a block into a chest. So we can do this by adding an ability to the piston. So Sam, if you want to type the command /PC ability.
PC ability, all one word.
Yep.
Then add, and then the ability. So this one would be the first one, chest
underscore
access.
Yeah.
So chest underscore access. And then you left click. So make sure you're not in creative mode.
No, if you're in creative mode,